Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the device and OS because behavior differs across versions. Once done, backup settings using iCloud or a local backup. This protects you if something goes wrong. Next, go straight to Settings and toggle Control Center access on and off to clear transient flags. You're not wasting time. This first sequence isolates simple permission issues and ensures you can always restore. If toggling fails, keep the backup and move to the systematic reset steps that follow. You now perform the core fixes. Remove custom controls and re-add them because corrupted tile configurations often break the interface. Once done, force restart the device using the model-specific power sequence. That flushes background services that the control center depends on. Make sure to inspect screen time and any installed profiles or mobile device management, since restrictions can silently disable features. If profiles exist, temporarily disable them to verify. These steps address deeper configuration and permission issues methodically. You finish by updating the OS to the latest patch because many control center bugs are fixed in point releases. If the problem persists, perform a full settings reset. This keeps your data while restoring system defaults, so make sure your backup is current. After reset, reconfigure Control Center and verify each control. If it still fails, boot with third-party UI tweaks removed or test in safe mode equivalents. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals conflicts from non-standard apps or profiles that block the only reliable fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.